wait to do this. But I finally got my Couture kit in. I'm going to show you guys what comes in our kit. And excuse my snuffiness and all that. I've been sick and all that jazz. But I've waited a week for this, so get ready. Get bubble wrap. Yay. Okay, the first thing, I haven't even, first off, I don't know if I told you guys that if you join Couture, it's only $99. You get all of this cool stuff. It's like a $200 something value to get all, like, to get started. You pretty much, oh, I didn't even see all these. Well, first off, these are all of our stencils that you get in the kit. I think you get like a total of 10 of them. You get the Live Life in Full Bloom, Sparkle, the Be You and Be Beautiful or Be Unique, the birthday stencils, which are really cool. You just like birthday gifts on them. The cactus one that says "Can't touch this" is super cute. Sorry, the neighbor kid's driving his scooter. All of these really cool flowers that you can make like wreaths and all kinds of cool stuff with. And then you get the Couture logo, which is cool too. This wreath and to do like established in, and you can do like a year, a month, and whatever you want to do. But all of our stencils come by instructions on the back of them, and I can do like a DIY later and show you how they all work. So there's those. And then you get 5 Chalkology pastes. 2 of these didn't come with color names on them, so I really don't know what they are. Excuse my hands, I've been painting. I don't know what this one's called. It's a really cool pink, I like it. And then you get a coastal bluish green color. You get white. And this one's evergreen. And this one doesn't have a name on it either. Or maybe I just can't see it. I don't know. You get all of those as well. And then you get 2 squeegees. You get a bigger squeegee and a little one. My sponsor, she like cuts hers up into smaller pieces to use with some of the stencils because there's like just little ones. And then you can change the colors and stuff, so it's really easy to do it that way. So there's these. And then a welcome card. You get a Couture apron, which is pretty nifty. I'm gonna use this a lot because I get stuff all over my clothes all the time. With that, and then you get thank you cards for people that purchase from you, welcome to a party, or like parties that you host. And this is the designer startup guide that gives you all the how-tos and about the founder and Couture and all the cool commission and bonuses that you get. You don't just get a kit, you get like your own website, you can order your own business cards, like you get a 50% off coupon whenever you start up. I'm gonna say for like a huge order so I can get all of these transfers and just have them all in stock all the time. So you get that too. You get this, like it's a chalkboard, it's a metal frame that you can do your Couture on as well. And then this nifty thing, it's a white framed chalkboard. Couture. I love this. Like, I don't even want to chalk on it because I don't want to use it. But the cool thing about our chalk paste is that if you don't like what you put on it, you can take like a Clorox wipe and just wipe it right off. And or like even if you wanted to change it every holiday, for example, you could wipe it off after Christmas and do it for Valentine's Day. Because we have all these cool stencils too. But yeah, this is it. Like I said, the kit is $99. It's $122. That's like for shipping and everything. Like I said, you get the 50% off coupon. You get 40% off everything that you order after you become a designer. You can earn up to 50% off everything depending on how much money you've raised for yourself, your volume. But yeah, I'll be doing a DIY later so I can show you how it works.